Look, listen, and repeat. Waiter. Waiter. A waiter takes orders and serves food and drinks in a restaurant. Lawyer. Lawyer. A lawyer helps people with legal problems and gives advice. Judge. Judge. A judge hears court cases and renders a verdict. Architect. Architect. An architect designs buildings and houses. Florist. Florist. A florist creates flower bouquets. Gardener. Gardener. A gardener grows and takes care of plants in a garden. Seamstress. Seamstress. A seamstress makes clothes and other textile products. Scientist. Scientist. A scientist learns new things and does experiments. Baker. Baker. A baker makes bread and cakes. Librarian. Librarian. A librarian works in a library and gives out books to visitors. Jeweler. Jeweler. A jeweler designs, makes, and repairs jewelry. Businessman. Businessman. A businessman makes money running his own business. Maid. Maid. A maid is a woman who cleans hotel rooms. Tour guide. Tour guide. A tour guide shows tourists the sights. Computer programmer. Computer programmer. A computer programmer writes computer software. Pharmacist. Pharmacist. A pharmacist dispenses medications and provides advice on their effective use. Cashier. Cashier. A cashier handles payment from clients and provides them with a receipt. Exterminator. Exterminator. An exterminator eliminates and prevents pests from buildings and homes. Test yourself. Who is it? Scientist, waiter, maid, judge. Waiter. Who is it? Lawyer. Which picture shows a seamstress? This one. Who is it? Gardener. Who is it? Pharmacist, baker, florist, architect. Baker. Which picture shows a cashier? This one. Who is it? Tour guide. Who is it? Florist, businessman, librarian, jeweler. Jeweler. Which picture shows a judge? This one. Who is it? Exterminator.